CodeClub UK is a nationwide network of volunteers and educators who run free coding clubs for children aged 9 to 11. We asked the children at Liverpool Central Library to tell us more about CodeClub.
CodeClub it's a club when they'll help you code Python and Scratch and HTML.
We put codes into the computer and make our own games.
We just do programs and program something to go to the right, to the left.
We're learning loops and loads of computing fundamentals.
My favourite part is when we finish the project. It feels so cool.
I think the best part of it is being able to interact with other people and to share ideas on projects.
It makes me all excited inside. It's really good. You should come.